Very good morning, students. 9th and 10th class. See here, we completed how to find the probability when one coin or two coins or three coins are tossed. So today I am going to explain how to find the probability on dice. Finding probability when one or two or three dice are rolled once. Here one formula there to find the total possible outcomes when dice are rolled. Here total possible outcomes. To find the total possible outcomes on dice, what is the formula? 6 power n. Here n indicates number of dice. Number of dice. You are rolling one die or two die or three dice. For example, when one die rolled, so total possible outcomes are 6 power 1 is equal to 6. So there are 6 possible outcomes: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. When two dice are rolled, total possible outcomes are 6 power n is equal to 6 power 2 is equal to 6 into 6 36. When three dice are rolled, 6 power n is equal to 6 power 3 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 216. So here to find the total possible outcomes when dice are rolled, what is the formula? 6 power n. Here n indicates number of dice. Here die has 6 faces. So numbers on the 6 faces are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes when one die is rolled, that is nothing but n of s is equal to 6. So there are 6 possible outcomes when one die is rolled. Now I am going to explain problems on one die. Find the probability of the following when a die rolled once. For example, here total possible outcomes n of s is equal to 6. First question. Probability to get prime number on face. Find the probability to get prime number on face. Here number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. We have 6 chances. When a die rolled once, we have 6 chances. What are that? 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. When one die rolled, there are 6 chances. So from that I need probability to get prime number on face. So from the 6 numbers, what are the prime numbers? Here 2 is a prime number and 3 is a prime number and also 5 is a prime number. There are 3 chances to get prime number on the face. So n of e is equal to 3. Then P of E, probability of an event, is equal to formula n of E by n of S. N of E means 3 by total possible outcomes are 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2. It means there is 50% chance to get prime number on face. Probability to get factor of 6 on face. Here is the next question. Probability to get factor of 6 on face. So here total possible outcomes n of s is equal to 6. Number of favorable outcomes, I need a factor of 6. So total, what are the six chances? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So we have 6 chances. So from that, what I need? I need factor of 6 on face. See here, in one table, okay, 1 is a factor of 6. Similarly, 2 also factor of 6. 3 also factor of 6. 4 not a factor of 6. 5 also not a factor of 6. So we have 4 chances to get factor of 6 on face. Then P of E is equal N of E by N of S is equal. So N of E means 4 by 6. 4 2 2s and 2 3s are. So what is the probability here? 2 by 3 is the probability to get factor of 6 on face. Probability to get multiple of 3. Now find the probability to get multiple of 3 on face. Here we know very well total possible outcomes when a die rolled once. There is nothing but 6 chances. What are the 6 chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chances. From that, what I need? I need multiple of 3 on face. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to number of favorable outcomes. What are the multiples of 6? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So, out of the 6 chances, we have only 2 chances to get multiple of 3 on that face. It is N of E is equal to 2. So, P of E is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to 2 by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. It is 1 by 2. Next question. Probability to get even prime number. Probability to get an even prime number. Number of favorable outcomes. So we have 6 chances. In that 6 chances, 6 is not a even prime number, 5 is also not a prime number, 5 is a prime number but not an even prime number. So only one chance, that is 2. N of E is equal to 1. So probability of this event is equal to N of E by N of S. Nothing but 1 by 6. Here next question. Probability to a number which is less than 6. So now I need a number on face that should be less than 6. We know very well total possible outcomes when a die rolled once. There are 6 chances. What are the 6 chances? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So from that I need a number which is less than 6. Number of favorable outcomes is equal. Less than 6 means we can take 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. But don't take 6. Why? Because that is not less than 6. So here N of E is equal to 5. P of E is equal to N of E is N of E by N of S is equal to 5 by 6. Next, probability to get 7 on face. Probability to get 7 on face. See clearly, die has 6 faces. On the 6th faces we can write 6 numbers. But what he need? He needs 7 on that face. It is not a possible. So this is better example to impossible event. This is an impossible event. Impossible event. Probability of an impossible event is 0. So probability of that given event is equal to 0. This is the homework. Find the probability of following when you write rolled ones to get a number which is factor of 3, to get a number which is less than 4, to get a number which is between 2 and 6.